Hi everybody, my name's Heather with One Organized Mom. Today I want to talk to you about your floors. As a professional house cleaner, cleaning people's floors is my favorite part of the job. And let me tell you why. I love taking that dirty space and making it clean, and the floors are always the dirtiest space. So I want to tell you today what we use to clean those floors. This is the O-Cedar EasyWring mop system. I have been using this for years and I love this product. It is such an amazing product and it's so easy to use, the kids will be begging you to clean the floors, I promise you. So why is it so easy? Why do I love this mop? Well, first, it comes with a bucket and it has a fill line for your water. You want to use the hottest water possible to clean your floors. Let the hot water do the heavy work for you, right? Whatever cleaner you decide to put in that water, make sure you follow the directions that are on the label to not overuse the product, because what happens, you'll get a film on your floor, it'll be sticky, and then you'll have to mop it all over again, and you don't want that. This head comes off that you can even wash it in the washer machine, so you have a clean mop head every time you clean your floors. The mop bucket has an EasyWring foot wringer. You have a different amount of water on the mop head for tile versus wood floor, which makes cleaning your floors so much easier. So One Organized Mom totally recommends O-Cedar EasyWring mop for making your floors clean and shiny.